Josie here. So I received a pair of spy glasses that I got from Amazon, and we're going to unbox them, see what they look like, and then we're going to do a next clip of them actually using them once they charge up. So let's open up this box here. What's in the box? What's in the box? Ooh, I'm so excited. These actually got some really good reviews. So that's what comes in the box. I did order the SD card that you need with the glasses. So here's the camera. Let's take that out of the box here. Let's open it up and see what's inside. What's inside the box? Let me just put this here to hold this. And there we go. Okay, so that's what the camera's HD video camera lenses are supposed to look like. So let's open it up. Alright, got yourself a little pouch. And the cable. And the manual that comes with it. Alright, there you go. So let's see. We got this and that. And that's what comes in the box. Let's open up the glasses and see what they actually look like. Nice little carrying case. Here are the glasses. Comes with a little thing to clean it with. So let's see what the glasses look like. Hey. Oh, there I am in the background. Hi, guys. Hey, they're not bad looking. So that's what right there you can see that little dot right there. That's where the camera you'll be able to see. So they look kind of cool. These cost $50. So let's see. This is where you would charge it right there. And I believe this is where you would turn it on either for photo or for video. And then I believe, let's see, one of these corners here. Is where the SD card goes, and I believe it's going to go right here in this slot corner right here. I don't know if you guys can see that right in there. I believe is where the SD card goes in. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to charge these up, and then once I charge them up, the next clip will show you me walking around with them. I'll probably take the dog out for a quick walk just to see what these look like. But as far as the feel, you know, it's like a thick plastic. Feels pretty nice. Let me see, I'm going to throw them on here for a second. Oh, fits my head pretty good. Let's see, I'm going to turn it around. I don't know how I look. Hi, guys. So the camera's supposed to be right here. So where I'm going to actually charge them up, and then I will take them out for a walk because it's the middle of the day. The lenses are just clear, regular lenses, obviously. But I did read somewhere where you can actually change out the lenses to put your own lens in there if you need glasses. But we'll try these out and then we'll see what happens. So let me put you back this way. But yeah, they actually look kind of cool. So these cost, I think they were like $45 or something. And then the SD card, which you have to buy separately, was like $10. So altogether it was like $52. So let's go ahead and charge these up, and then we will go ahead and the next clip will show you what I see when I go outside with the spy glasses on. So I'm excited. Let's see what happens.
Case closed then.
All right, so I'm putting on the spy glasses now. There you go, and recording. All right, we're gonna take the dog out for a walk. And we'll try these out. Come on, you. Oh, hold on. There we go. Let's go test out the glasses. Come on. All right. See if these things are any good. All right. This is our backyard here. And there goes my puppy. Ooh, it's windy. I don't know if the wind is getting picked up. It's a nice day. It is one of the days where it is not 105 degrees today. It's actually probably in the upper 80s or 91, 92. Whoa, where you going, puppy? It's a little windy out, but it's nice. It's a nice, beautiful day. It's probably, you know what? It doesn't even feel like it's in the 90s. It feels like it's in the upper 80s, which is even better. But it's good that it's windy, because then you guys can let me know if the wind kind of messes up the video. But I got these glasses because I wanted to get something that I can videotape when where is she going? Where are you going? Where are you going? I wanted to get the video so when I go into the retail stores, instead of using my GoPro, I figure I'll get a nice pair of glasses like this, and I can do some don't go over there, baby. Come here. Not over there. Ooh, there's lightning. Come on, we better go before the rain comes. Come on, Sunshine. There you go. I figure I'll get some glasses like this, so when I go to the, like Walmart or the thrift stores, or if I go to yard sales with my mom, hopefully next month. Ooh, she's excited. Yeah, so going to yard sales and thrift stores, then these glasses would be kind of cool. And, they're on the little cheap side, $50, but I figure, I'll try these out. I know that I was listening to Scott, the bearded picker, and he was talking about some glasses that he had picked up. But they were like $150 or something, and he wasn't too happy with them. We gotta try to see what works and what doesn't. And I figured I wasn't gonna blow $150 on something that might not work. And sometimes you would be surprised. These cheaper ones will actually do a really good job. And this one got a lot of good reviews as well. So I figure, why not try these? I saw some videos of other people, and they look good. So let me see. I look up at the sky here. You see the clouds are coming up here. But I can see really good with these. Not that I don't really need the glasses. I just need them when I'm... Uh-oh, she's doing number 2. I just need them really when I drive at night. Here comes the wind again. But I just wanted to see what you guys can see. I mean, if they're good, then cool. Obviously, because they're on the cheap side, we're going to have to use them when the sun is good, when the light is good. You can't use them at night, obviously, so I can't use them when I'm dumpster diving. Sorry, I gotta do the bad part here. So you can't use them when you're dumpster diving or anything like that, obviously, but during the day is good when it's bright out like this. Oh, there goes the thunder. All right, I'm gonna take you guys off for a minute while I pick up after my dog, so 1 second. You gotta be a responsible dog owner. You. I gotta pick up the poop, nasty. Don't eat that, you'll get sick. Eating grass. But yeah, so obviously you gotta use the glasses when it's nice and bright outside, and when it's... Come on, Sunshine. Don't eat the grass, you get sick. When it's nice and bright outside and when the sun's out, you can't use them at sunset or anything like that, but that'd be cool, I got my sister coming out in next week in about 10 days, so I'm hoping that maybe we can do some stuff together, and maybe I'll use the glasses. So these are good for 40 minutes to an hour, and then you have to charge them. But I figure that if I this way, come on. I figure that if I take them when I do my retail arbitrage that I can charge them in the car, and then they'll last a lot longer. So that's not a real duck. That's actually a fake one, but you can go fishing in here. Here, let's see. Do you see any fish? There's turtles in here and stuff, which is cool. I don't know if you guys can see any. Let's see. Nope. Let's keep walking. And I'll try to not move my head too much so that you guys don't get sick going back and forth. Put away our poop. There was a sign that was funny. I think they took it down. It said, "Oopsies, pick up after your poopsies." To pick up after your dog, so that was funny. Ooh, butterfly. Alright, so we'll walk around here and head back to the house. This little dog park right here, where the dogs can run around, which is nice. And we got a basketball court there, and there's a pool around the corner with a big lake to go fishing. My husband loves to do that. But this is a nice area here, and 35 minutes south of Disney in Orlando. But I love it here. It's kind of like small town. Nobody bothers you. It's a good community. We'll probably end up buying a house out here next year, is our goal. So Sunshine has a nice big yard to run around in. What you doing, buddy? Ready? Come on, let's go. Yeah, come on, let's go. There you go. She is 7 right now. Come here, Sunshine. Come on. This is our little Sunshine. Come on. She's just turned 7, and she is mixed Cocker Spaniel. How are you? Yeah. Oh, what you got on your eye? I'll have to clean you up when we get home. I don't know what you got on your eye. Must have been from going on the grass. She's mixed Cocker Spaniel with Great King Cavalry. A Great King Cavalry, so she's English. I was hoping we see the turtle, but I don't see the turtle in the lake. There's like 2 or 3 big ones in here. But okay. So we're testing the glasses, and we'll see how it works out. I'm gonna go upstairs now and I'll load this up, and we'll see how we did in the wind. Up. There you go. We'll see how we did in the wind, and hi. See how good the video came out. You thirsty? Go on. That's a girl. Don't go too far. Alright guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Hopefully this came out good.